This is Pytho, the backpack that expands for your all-day activities and compresses with one pull. So your daily commute is hands-free, seamless, and ultra user-friendly. Pytho is a sweat bag, work bag, and travel bag, all in one. Because hustlers like you deserve the full package. Smaller items have their own homes, and it's quick access hip pockets, so your essentials are literally by your side. Its smart anti-theft zippers and weatherproof outer shell is made for tackling the demands of everyday urban life. The Pytho backpack expands easily in one swift motion to load up all your gear in less than 3 seconds, doubling up in size of up to 29 liters. The inbuilt wet compartment functions as a dedicated sweat bag and comes with a detachable DOP kit so you can freshen up in record time. The tech compartment is lined with velvet cushioning that holds up to 17-inch laptops with a secure magnetic clip, so your gadgets stay in place while you make your big moves. Pytho's mesh-padded foam provides lumbar support for your back, so you don't have to worry about the weight of the world on your shoulders. And when you have lighter days, Pytho compresses with just a pull of its compressing straps, reducing the outward size while maintaining its shape. Whatever the occasion, working out or working late, day trips for work or getaway, Pytho is your key to spending less time repacking and more time moving forward. Because your life is what you make of it. Make it a bold one. Pull yourself together. Hustle on with Pytho.